Wow, this is very beautiful line. Big car is transporting the line. Oh, this is dinosaur. Oh, ये तो रोड पे आ गया है. Dinosaur, attack dinosaur. Oh no 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 no. This is very bad. बचाओ बचाओ हमें बचाओ. Oh no. ये लाइन को मार रहा है. Oh no 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 no. डायनासोर पूरी तरह मार रहा है. ओए हो. Help 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 me. Oh, the dinosaur is very 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 dangerous. हाँ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ. Oh ah. Oh no 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 no. Wow! 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 Oh! Hulk is beating dinosaur. Dinosaur भाग गया. Oh no! लाइन को बचा लिया. हल्क ने लाइन को बचा लिया है. Thank you very much, Hulk. Thank you very much, Hulk. Okay, okay, go, go, hurry up, go. Oh, the road is very, very dangerous. The dinosaur damaged the road. This is very big duck. He is digging the hole. Oh, no, no. Help us, please help us. Okay, okay, what happened? I am coming, I am coming. Go, go, go fast, go, very good, go, go. Go fast. Hey, hello, what happened? Oh, the very, very big dinosaur attacked us. Chalo, chalo. Tow the car, tow the car. This is very, very strong rope. Now we are towing the car with heavy remote control tractor. This is homemade tractor, a very powerful tractor. This is remote control. Wow! But the tractor is in trouble. Car is stuck badly. Go, go, hurry up. Pull, pull, pull. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Hurry, hurry, come on. Very good. Good job, excellent work. Now we repair the road. We are going to repair the road. Tractor is going. This is very big hole. Tractor is repairing the road. Oh, hurry up, do it well. Hey boy, finish the work. This is the main road. It is required to be finished before evening. hurry up, speed up. Yes, yes, we are working. Yes, we are working. We will do, inshallah, we will do. The tractor is very beautifully performing. This is tractor with blade. The blade is utilized to plane the ground and make the roads. Very good. The driver is very hard working. He is very honest and hard worker. He is doing very well. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, okay, yes, yes. Fast, fast. Oh, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? एक साइड रिपेयर कर लिया, दूसरी साइड से ट्रैक्टर आ गया, अब दूसरी साइड से खड्डा फिल करेगा। देखिए जी, ट्रैक्टर ने बड़ा अच्छा काम किया है। अब ये इससे दूसरी साइड से जो मट्टी पड़ी थी वायर, ये मट्टी वायर से उठा के गड्ढे में डाल रहा है और रोड को प्लेन भी कर रहा है ताकि रोड का रास्ता जो है गाँव का रास्ता है और गाँव का रास्ता शाम से पहले बहाल करना है। यस, वेरी गुड। जोर लगाओ, जोर लगाओ। फंस रहा है। Hard work, very hard work. Usually the heavy machinery is required for this job, but we are working with tractor. Tractor is very powerful. Commonly the bulldozer is used for this kind of jobs, but we don't have bulldozer. Therefore, necessity is the mother of invention. We are working with tractor. Finally, the tractor ने रास्ता बना लिया है. Road has been planed. Blockage has been removed. Very good job, excellent job. So proud of you, so proud of you, very well. No, this is the leveling work. The level has been finished, or finally the path is clear. Go, 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 very good. Thank you very much. Thank you for cooperation. Very good. This is mini tractor. तो इस तरह की क्रिएटिव वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल पे आएँ, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल के आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की मज़ेदार और